Hi guys, Jordan here with Mongo Attachments. Today I want to talk about a new item that we've come out with. For years we've been selling our rippers, tree shears, tilt buckets with the 40mm and 45mm coupler pins. We have them here. This is just an example on the display stand that we have. These are 45mm coupler pins. This would fit like a Cat 305, for example. Over the past couple of years, we've had a bunch of customers wanting to replace their coupler pins, whether they have a pin-on style system where you have to actually move both pins out when you're changing an attachment, or a pin grabber. This would be a pin grabber where the pins permanently stay in so the coupler can grab them. We have these in 40mm right here and 45mm. We will be selling these in pairs. These are going to ship already wrapped in plastic. They got a nice oil coating on them, so they're not going to rust. They're going to be ready to slide into whatever attachment you're putting them in. Feature about these are through hardened, meaning they are the same hardness at the outside all the way to the core. So we have these in stock. We can UPS ground these same day. Again, these are going to be sold in a pair. Give us a call, 317-910-8896, or check out the link below for our website, mongoattachments.com. Thanks.